Electromagnetic refers to the energy, radiation, or fields generated by electric charge, current, and magnetic materials. This energy is used to power and control a variety of devices and systems, from televisions and radios to power grids and medical equipment. Electromagnetic energy is also used in communications, to send and receive signals and data. Types of electromagnetic. 1. Radio waves. 2. Microwaves. 3. Infrared radiation. 4. Visible light. 5. Ultraviolet radiation. 6. X-rays. 7. Gamma rays. Electromagnetic radio waves. Electromagnetic radio waves are a type of electromagnetic radiation with wavelengths longer than infrared light. They are used in radio communication, radar, and other communication technologies. Radio waves have frequencies ranging from 3 kHz to 300 GHz, and have the ability to travel long distances through air, water, and solid objects. Electromagnetic microwaves. Electromagnetic microwaves are invisible waves of energy that travel at the speed of light. They have a wide range of uses, from communications to cooking food. Microwaves are part of the electromagnetic spectrum, which includes radio waves, infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, X-rays, and gamma rays. They have a frequency range of 1 GHz, 1 billion cycles per second, to 300 GHz. Microwaves are generated by an electronic device called a magnetron, which is found in microwave ovens, radar systems, and satellite communication systems. Electromagnetic infrared radiation. Electromagnetic infrared radiation, EMIR, is a type of electromagnetic radiation that is invisible to the human eye and falls within the infrared region of the electromagnetic spectrum. It is characterized by having a longer wavelength than visible light, ranging from 700 nanometer, to 1 mm, mm. EMIR is used in a variety of applications, including medical imaging, infrared photography, remote sensing, and nighttime surveillance. Electromagnetic visible light. Electromagnetic visible light is a type of electromagnetic radiation that is visible to the human eye. It has a wavelength that ranges from 380 nanometer, to 780 nanometers, which is in the middle of the electromagnetic spectrum. Visible light is produced when an atom or molecule absorbs energy and then emits it in the form of a photon. The energy of the photon determines the wavelength, which in turn determines the color that is seen. Sources of visible light include the sun, light bulbs, and stars. Electromagnetic ultraviolet radiation. Electromagnetic ultraviolet radiation, UV, is a type of electromagnetic radiation with a wavelength shorter than visible light, but longer than X-rays. It is commonly known as ultraviolet light. UV radiation has a variety of applications, including tanning, disinfection, and phototherapy. It is also used in many industries, such as printing and photography. UV radiation is divided into 3 categories: UVA, UVB, and UVC. UVA radiation has the longest wavelength and is the weakest form of UV radiation. UVB radiation has a shorter wavelength and is the most damaging form of UV radiation. UVC radiation has the shortest wavelength and is the most dangerous form of UV radiation. It is almost completely absorbed by the atmosphere and does not reach the Earth's surface. Electromagnetic X-rays. Electromagnetic X-rays are a form of electromagnetic radiation with a very short wavelength and high frequency. They are used in medical imaging, and can be used to detect fractures, tumors, and other structural abnormalities in the body. X-rays can also be used to detect foreign objects in the body, such as bullets or shrapnel, and can be used to detect dental cavities. X-rays are also used in industry to detect flaws and cracks in materials, and to detect the presence of hazardous materials. Electromagnetic gamma rays. Electromagnetic gamma rays are a type of electromagnetic radiation. They have the smallest wavelength and highest energy of the electromagnetic spectrum. Gamma rays are created by nuclear reactions, highly energetic astronomical events, and particle decay. They can penetrate most materials, including heavy shielding. Gamma rays are used to treat cancer, sterilize medical equipment, and power nuclear reactors.